Isn't it true? Yeah. Okay, so your business is suffering because you're on the fence about your credit, and you can't get funding, which used to be something that you didn't have to be a personal guarantor of. But now, because the economy is so tough, you have to personally guarantee the money that you get for your business. But guess what, people? It's coming back now. I can give you this. I have a list of friendly creditors that I got $118,000 without a personal guarantee, without reviewing personal credit, in less than 30 days. I have all their names, all their phone numbers, email accounts. Did you know Nordstrom does business credit? You can get your uniforms from Nordstrom. Did you know Bloomingdale does business credit? Why? Because they don't tell you. If you don't know, you don't know. Guess what? Those two companies only have 3 representatives that work in their office to do business credit for the entire nation. I know them all, right? I got their names, their email address. They like me, right? Office Depot, Office Max, Home Depot. I mean, I have a list of about 30 vendors and their applications, and I got $118,000 in less than 30 days. How could that help your business? $100,000, potentially $100,000 in less than 30 days, without a personal guarantee, okay? I have a company right now here in the city of Las Vegas that moved here just to help start up businesses. They've been here about 9 months. The young lady who runs the office by herself is a personal friend of mine. Why? Because I send her so many clients, we go out to lunch and we don't talk about business anymore. We just sit and talk. So that's a friend, okay? I can get $8,000 for anyone that I send to her as long as they have a 500 credit score. $8,000 in 72 hours for a small business or a startup. Wouldn't it be nice to know these kinds of contacts? Okay, guess what? I have another company I can get $5,000 jewelry card. Not that you have to use the jewelry card, but $5,000 in reports to all 3 bureaus. And you're guaranteed to get it. Everyone gets it as long as you don't have a public record, which is a bankruptcy, foreclosure, tax lien. Okay, $5,000 instantly. Okay, guess what else? I have 1 year of newsletters about business credit and personal credit that I'm only going to send to a select group of people, right? Because this is, again, if you pull my head, the top of it off, under the credit repair book is the 12 newsletters, okay? Because that is the intellectual property that I know works for people that are trying to get business credit. Blackcards, 46 chapters of distilled information about how to fix your own credit and all the answers right here. Okay? Give you that. You got both books. Did I miss anything? Nope, I think that's it.
And fix their credit.
Yes, I'm getting to that one. And 4 months of service. And 4 months of service that was $1,500 with all those gifts, right? I'll do that today. What do you think I'll do that price for? If I took your head off right now, there would be a number there.
$1,000.
This guy's good. This guy's good. See, we're the same. $997. It's not due up front. It's a payment plan that's customized for you, right? And you just have to be finished paying in 4 months when we're finished the work, right? Okay? And then at the end of that, I'm going to build you up also working with you on the business credit so you can enhance your business, expand your business. You're only here in this world to expand your name through the gifting that was given to you at your birth. That's it. And if you can invoice someone for that gift, you have an amazing life. You have an amazing life. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay? Is anyone interested in that? $997. No, honestly. Did he just raise his hand? I'm shocked. I'm shocked. He just raised his hand. Okay. All right, so this is what we'll do. The state of Nevada gives you 5 days to rescind any contract. But this isn't even a contract because I have none here. I didn't bring any. Miss Paler was nice enough to invite me here to talk with you guys. I'm going to be here every week that she allows me to talk. And I'm going to go deeper into credit repair and business credit as we go every week. I'm going to donate my services, okay? Now, that's coming from his heart, okay? So I'm going to step down. I'm going to give the floor back to Ms. Paler. I'll give you guys one of the forms, all right? All you have to do is complete it. You're not obligated until you come to the office and sign up. But guess what? This will change your life. Now, when you come to the office, I'm going to prove to you everything I've said. I'm going to show you all the proof. You're going to meet the staff. You're going to see the certifications. You're going to see the MLD licensing. You're going to see it all. But more importantly, at the end of this, okay, if you are not extremely happy, all right, I will go to bat for you to get additional services, and I've only done that 6 or 7 times in 10 years. Everybody has seemed to be happy except 4 people on the internet. Okay? All right. Any questions before I step down? Anything? Ask me a tough question. This gentleman just telepathically gave me a question. He said, Mr. Brown. He did. No. This guy and I were familiar spirits. He telepathically asked me to say, if something on your credit is deleted and is reinserted by an unscrupulous vendor that sold it to another collection agency, and that next collection agency added to your credit, do I have to come back and pay you again and get that deleted again? That's what he said. Good question, sir. No, you don't. There's a serial number at the top of each credit report, which we call an investigation result. That serial number matches the results within that report. All you would have to do is call the credit bureau, give them that serial number to pull up the report, and it will show that that item was deleted. And the federal law says once something has been deleted, it cannot be reinserted. So it will be deleted again. So forever, I want to teach you how to pay for credit repair one time and then do it yourself for a lifetime. I go to my family reunions, sir, and I teach them credit repair. Okay? I don't teach them how to flip and make a good burger. I don't teach them a 2-minute, 3-minute steak, what that means. I teach the kids, the adults, credit repair. Okay, I get up and stand in front of them, and then I get a write-off because I have a banner behind me. All right, and I make sure somebody take a picture of everybody and I'm with the banner, and I just gave an education talk. Okay, so my plane ticket free, right? Time travel, right? Keep the receipts for the event, right? You gotta use all these techniques. Okay. All right, so I'm going to step down. Thank you guys very much for coming, and I'm going to have Mr.